It's Christmas. Look at this Christmas tree. All in all that. Oh, that statue look like man, so. I in a frock. You check him down here, you know, you look like a man. Why them people like them chocolate? You something like it for Roche. This will be Planka Granny. A Planka Granny chocolate, this you know. £4.50 for them little one, yeah. And £11.50 for them bigger. Ferrero Rocher.
What's your name?
Ferrero Rocher. You see a Christmas, actually? A Christmas. Lindy's are the best chocolate. This are the best chocolates. Best chocolate. Oh, that blue look nice here, actually. Well, yeah. 100 what is? Years of wonder. 100 years of wonder. This for £12. You light up?
Supposed to. No light on.
Which place is light?
So it's just boring.
It's just big and boring, so. It's just big and boring for £12.
That's so big and boring. So the Christmas can go together.
Asda. Oh, this. So we need to get some like this, you know.
I love it.
Like something here. How much for this? £3 for one. It's cute.
Nice.
We can stuck it in the tree. Cause my tree, I them something here the tree have on. I'll know I'm not opening now to know if it's sick or it's good or it's. The brand zero look nice. So what Terry I do again? I like this. It's nice. £3 for one. Why am I take up this? They really look nice. So, them something so missing in us. So now a blue light. Me have a blue light. Anyone see any blue lights? This is blue. I think this is blue. Timer. Roxy is no help. Looking for blue lights. Roxy, I call the light. Yeah, I call the light man in it. Blue light. Oh, see something right here. Take off.
The light, yeah.
At 10 pounds, how much would these seats find at the place?
Why you say they have the light, man? Say you know, make Bernard do it. You can't bother wait for Bernard.
For festive though.
Look on the tree.
The silver section festive. I'll know I'm get nothing for put on top of my tree now. I need to look for something else. Yeah, I need to go in at something light up. So, this light up a gold. It's so sparkly. It's actually I am sparkling something really. It's cute, isn't it? Yeah, you see it here and look. Not like it gold, you know. I like it too much. It's too much. Wow, this is nice. Why I have this in my hand? It's not time to buy any of these things, but my hide it over here, so. Blue. Oh, that's too fun. Look a bit. For the home section. I didn't know coming Asda. And the bedding, this must hot. Yeah, like them. Come, can you see them sell it in here? Someone you tell me. Them and them gonna smell good. Come, Roxanne, British friend. Come and show me the paint. Come point me to the container that I want. Them good container. The container, Roxy. But them heavy simmer, but more for store food. Some £2. I'd rather buy them here, give them than to have the other. some nice jar, but yeah, put the my weight name there in, yeah. But not bad still. But we just spray the top of them. Yeah, one of them cup round. Oh, there's a A. There's no G. Another way. It's cute, eh?
All the cups.
For Christmas.
The mug.
Christmas tea.
Her.
Christmas tea. Christmas tea. Actually. It's cute, eh, Maxie? I actually something them there. I have the thing. I want something to keep my thing, but I'm not on Christmassy. Remember, I'm blue. Come, let's come and show me where you find the spray where you said them have. You said them have spray paint. I know them smell. Yeah, let me have it.
I'm sure.
But not the. No, they smell paint.
You did it right. That's our B&M there. I pass B&M. Maybe they're in a IKEA.
No. Me know where it sells, so it's not like me don't know where it sells.
Yes, let's go where it sells. Because I need to find out about the pipe. You understand?
Yeah, yeah, me know it's.
When the guy for the fridge.
Alright, come. 1:15. I'm gonna
Go early.
what is this? Oh, them not working on them something then, alright. Yeah, but it don't work. I don't think it works.